the video that I did last time, the alphabet. And we are going to carry on learning the sounds of the alphabet. So if you haven't seen the first video, I advise you to go and have a look at that one, and then you can come back to this one. M. And the sound is M. M. For manzana. Manzana. N. 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 Naranja. Naranja. ¿Te gusta la naranja? ¿Te gusta la naranja? Me gusta la naranja. O. O. Ojo. Ojo. P. 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 Pera. Pera. Me gusta la pera. ¿Te gusta la pera? Me gusta la pera. Our next letter is Q. Q. Now, this letter is accompanied by the vowel U. U. And together they make this sound. K. K. For queso. I love cheese. Yo amo el queso. Queso. R. R. And the sound is R. R. You have to try to roll your tongue fast and make this sound. Or maybe it will be easier for you if we say R. 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 For rata. Rata. If you get the word like this, rata, don't worry, you have a different accent. But if you practice this r, rolling your tongue to make this sound, r, r, then you will get the same pronunciation that I have. But if you don't get it, don't worry. S. And the sound is S. S. For sapo. Sapo. T. 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 And the sound is T. T. For toro. Toro. U. U. For uno. Uno. Or uva. Uva. Yo amo las uvas. Son deliciosas. This consonant is V. V. And the sound is V. 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 For violín. Violín. W. W. And the sound is W. W. Washington. X. This is another special word. X. This will have this sound. S. For example, por ejemplo, xilófono. Xilófono. And the other sound is
for Xbox. Xbox.
J.
Ja.
And the sound is, well, it has two sounds. E.
I.
For example, por ejemplo, tú y yo.
Okay.
And the other sound is J. J.
Ja.
J. For yo-yo.
Jojo.
So we don't say yo-yo.
Um.
We say yo-yo. And you're going to be happy to know that this is the last letter of the alphabet. Zeta.
Zeta.
Zapato.
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 Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Bye.